Lemon for dandruff. 5 ways you can use lemon to keep dandruff at bay. You are all ready for party in your pitch black dress. Your makeup is perfect, your hair is dazzling, and there is nothing that can go wrong at this point of time. Suddenly, your head feels itchy, you scratch and there you go, the nasty dandruff finds its way on your shoulders. Your pitch black dress now has tiny flakes of your scalp, and your hair is one dull and frizzy mess. Dandruff are portions of your scalp that chip off gradually upon drying. Research suggests that dandruff is actually due to cells underneath the skin that have a very short life. The scalp condition is caused by a fungus, Malassezia, which feeds on sebum, the oily secretions from our scalp, and the dead skin cells which occur naturally due to formation of new skin. While the phenomenon is natural, the problem occurs when the fungus starts eating too much into the scalp. The good news is that dandruff can be controlled by a host of things available right in front of you, in your kitchen pantry. Lemon has been known to be an effective remedy against dandruff. Yes, you heard us. The citric acid present in lemon helps fight dandruff from at the level of roots. Alternatively, the strong antimicrobial properties of lemon also curbs the fungal activity happening on your scalp. From adding the flavorful zest to our food to being a solid companion to our beauty and hair care rituals, is there anything you can't do, dear lemon? Here are some ways you can use lemon to control dandruff. 1. Lemon with amla. Lemon with amla or Indian gooseberry is one lethal combination for your flaky woes. The citrus nature of both lemon and amla helps reduce dead cell formation. In addition to this, they also provide nourishment to the roots and infuse your dull locks with natural shine. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of amla juice. Now using a cotton ball, dab it on your scalp gently. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse it gently with water. 2. Lemon with yogurt. For the dual action of removing dandruff and strong hair, the combination of lemon and yogurt is ideal. The natural enzymes and acids of the combination helps eliminate dandruff completely. Mix about 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture onto the scalp gently. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with mild shampoo. 3. Lemon and honey. The combination of lemon and honey can prove to be the ultimate answer to several of your hair woes. Honey's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds helps keep the fungal activity beneath the skin at bay. The humectant keeps the scalp hydrated, thereby putting an end to problems like dryness and itchiness caused due to dandruff. To the citric juice of lemon, 1 tablespoon, add about 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix them well and apply it onto your scalp for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with mild shampoo. For best result, repeat the hair care ritual once in every 3 to 4 days. 4. Lemon and egg. Egg masks for hair are something our grandmothers can't stop raving about. And they have their reasons. An egg with a tablespoon of lemon juice can in fact do wonders for not just your flaky scalp, but your hair in general. Egg is a natural conditioner and helps exfoliate skin from within. The combination also curbs dead cell production. To a whipped egg, mix the lemon juice. Apply on the scalp and let it dry for 30 minutes. Wash it off with mild shampoo and see the results for yourself. 5. Lemon and tea. Tea and lemon's potent antimicrobial and antioxidants properties make for a great remedy to get rid of dandruff and rejuvenate inflamed skin. All you need are 2 teaspoons of tea powder or chai patti. Add them to half a cup of hot water and let it steep. Strain the decoction and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Use this decoction and apply it on the scalp. Make sure the temperature is not boiling hot. You don't want to burn your scalp. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with water. Try these amazing home remedies and keep the nasty dandruff at bay. And flaunt your tresses in style.